Alright, let's get to it. We're heading to the water. There are some dusty roads where we can mess around a bit, but we left pretty late and it's gonna get dark soon, so we've gotta pick up the pace and make it there before it's completely dark. I'm curious how far we'll actually make it. People, I want to ask you, if you like the videos and want more, always react to them. Feel free to drop a like, write a comment, or at least send an emoji if you don't know what to write. It helps us a lot, because when there is no reaction, the algorithm kills the videos and we don't get to reach more people. And then I really feel like I'm doing it for nothing. It costs you nothing and takes a few seconds. And then I will have the desire to edit for you as much as possible and put even more energy into it. I have big plans for how to entertain you here, but without you, it makes no sense. We'll go to the right first. I've never been that way before, and we'll see where we end up, but I have a feeling we'll end up back at the place we started from. Quad died when he stopped, right? A lady with her dog was yelling at us here, calling us rude jerks for riding around. But I'm not gonna put her in the video because I'm polite and well behaved. The route is pretty interesting, except for the mud. We didn't dress well for that. Oh, hopefully the police won't come after us. And of course, I couldn't get first gear in there. I really didn't expect them here, but so far I'm lucky in a whole year of riding. They've never stopped me even once. They just watched every time. Maybe they liked me, haha. Better get out of here before they change their mind. He's getting pretty good at those wheelies. The guy is learning fast. But the ending didn't go so well. He almost flew over the quad when he landed. Too bad he didn't fall. It could have been an interesting video for you, ha ha ha. Just like I thought, we ended up back at the start, so we'll quickly head to the water again, and then we'll go left and keep going. The guy doesn't mess around. He FLIs over those bumps so fast that I can't keep up. And it shook me so much that I feel like the handlebars are gonna fly out of my hands and I'm gonna go flying. I really didn't expect this. I'm covered in mud everywhere. I almost wiped out. We'll take a few photos. The guy will make a call because there's no signal down here. So he went up to that pile of gravel. Then we'll go to the back to do some drifts. In the shots from the front camera, something keeps whistling here like a little bird.
Faces come and go. Yours is the only one I know. When I turn the lights on, the truth begins to show. The hills are burning bright and slow. What's left around? Life is only what you make it.
Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I want to ask you for a like and a comment. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you.